Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video hey guys, welcome back. This is Sayanti, and today's video is the most special video on my channel because this would be my first giveaway on YouTube. Yes, we have reached 100 subscribers, and this is a thank you note from me in a way of giveaway. So the giveaway prize, as you know, would be 300 rupees of Nykaa voucher, and there are 3 rules that you have to follow to enter yourself in this giveaway. Number 1 is you have to follow me on YouTube. Number 2 is you have to follow me on Instagram, and number 3 is you have to comment down below your thoughts about my channel. I'll give you some example, like what are the things that you love about my channel, if you have any feedback to share about this channel, or if you would want to do any collab videos with me, or supposedly like you are a YouTuber yourself, what are the challenges that you face, and your thoughts about the challenges that we YouTubers face on YouTube. I promised this video on my empties video, but I could not make this video because I was confused about the gift, what I should give you. I wanted this to be quite neutral for both boys and girls. So I came up with the idea of a Nykaa voucher. This entry is open for a month's time. It would be announced after 1 month of this video going live on YouTube, and that's all. This is just limited to India, and that's all. I hope you have good time. Do take care, keep smiling, and let's do more videos. PS, my second giveaway would come up on me reaching 1000 subscribers, so do ensure you subscribe to my channel, and second giveaway would be huge. Let's do it together, sweethearts. Yay, bye.